This was the first computer in our house. The story began in 1995 at Japan when my dad finally decided to buy us a new Macintosh Performa 6300. My dad worked on it for 5 years. Then, years later, we traveled from a country to another. We headed back to Egypt. Years later, I was born at 2002, and I found myself in front of this magical machine. After that, we had to move to another town. The Macintosh was lost by the time, and we forgot about it for almost 9 years. And by coincidence, 2 months ago, I visited my dad in his workplace, and I found the Macintosh again. But I only found the PC. I'm sure the monitor and the keyboard are somewhere. After my journey with the Macintosh, 1 month later, I found an old vise in my father's old office. After checking it, I discovered that it's an old projector that came with the Macintosh. I found that there was Japanese letters and symbols, so I decided to share it with you.